History is a common topic in the IELTS speaking test. Today, I'll share some useful phrases and example sentences on this topic. At the end of the video, I'll share questions to practice these phrases, and you can watch sample answers here. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. 1. Valuable lessons from the past.
Studying ancient conflicts offers valuable lessons from the past about diplomacy and compromise.
2. Turning point in history.
The invention of the internet was a turning point in history because it changed how people communicate and share information.
3. Evolve over time.
It's fascinating to see how traditions evolve over time to suit modern lifestyles.
4. Ancient civilizations.
I love learning about ancient civilizations like the Mayans and their contributions to astronomy.
5. Sacrifices of previous generations.
The sacrifices of previous generations during independence struggles are deeply inspiring.
6. Far-reaching consequences.
The discovery of the New World had far-reaching consequences for global trade and colonization.
7. Historical milestones.
The invention of electricity is one of the greatest historical milestones of modern times.
8. Consequence of actions.
The consequence of actions during World War II was that many cities were destroyed and people had to rebuild their lives.
9. A sense of connection to heritage and identity.
Knowing about the struggles of my ancestors gives me a strong sense of connection to heritage and identity.
10. Avoid repeating mistakes.
By analyzing past pandemics, we can avoid repeating mistakes in handling public health crises.
11. Appreciation for diversity.
Learning about the Silk Road fosters an appreciation for diversity and cultural exchange.
12. Visiting historical sites.
Visiting historical sites like the Great Wall of China feels like stepping back in time to ancient eras.
13. Educational and entertaining.
Historical dramas on TV can be both educational and entertaining for viewers.
14. Biographies of historical figures.
Reading biographies of historical figures like Churchill provides insight into leadership during crises.
15. Spark my curiosity.
Learning about the world wars in school sparked my curiosity about global history.
16. Interpret events uniquely.
Different nations interpret events uniquely, which often leads to varied historical accounts.
17. Archaeological discoveries.
Recent archaeological discoveries have given us a better understanding of ancient civilizations.
18. Fact, interpretation, and storytelling.
History blends fact, interpretation, and storytelling, making it open to debate and discussion.
19. Influence modern life.
The invention of the wheel has had a profound influence on modern life and transportation.
20. How the world has changed over time.
Studying history shows us how the world has changed over time, from monarchies to democracies.
21. Foster cultural pride.
Learning about my country's achievements in history helps foster cultural pride among its people.
22. Shape the world.
The Industrial Revolution shaped the world we live in today by transforming economies and societies.
23. Stepping back in time too.
Exploring ancient ruins feels like stepping back in time to an entirely different era.
24. A deep connection to history.
I feel a deep connection to history when visiting places like the pyramids of Egypt.
25. Leave a lasting impact on cultural expression.
The Renaissance left a lasting impact on cultural expression through art, literature, and music.
That's the end of the phrases. Now, let's look at some questions about history. Try to use the phrases we just covered to answer these questions. Part 1. Do you enjoy learning about history? What historical site have you visited? Do you think schools should teach more local history? Did you read history books as a child? Do you know much about your town's history? What period of history do you find most interesting? Part 2. Question 1. Describe a historical event that you think is important. You should say what the event was, when and where it took place, why it is important, and explain how it has affected the world or your country. Question 2. Describe a historical building you have visited. You should say where it is, what it looks like, what it is used for now, and explain why you found it interesting. Part 3. Why do you think it's important for people to learn about history? How do historical events shape the culture of a country? In what ways can studying history benefit young people today? Why do people visit historical buildings? Do you think it's important to preserve old buildings? What challenges do you think historical buildings face today? That's the end of today's video. You can find the link to the sample answer video in the description.